Drone adoption is growing rapidly among both consumers and companies, and the retail industry is leading the way in that adoption. Drone delivery services has enough potential, and tech giants such as Amazon, Alphabet, are hailing it as the future of e-commerce fulfillment. Let's move forward with the video, and see the drones, bringing the fiction to reality. Matternet Company, provided its white drone, with 4 rotors, to the WakeMed Hospital. This was the first regular commercial drone that operated in the United States. Its basic function contains UPS, which carries the blood and other lab samples. It can carry load up to 4.4 pounds. Google spin-off Wing has made history in drone delivery. It is the first recipient of a Part 135 certificate to operate as a commercial drone airline in the U.S. It delivers local food, products, drugstore supplies and even library books to the doorsteps of suburban homes. Airbus has created a shore-to-ship parcel delivery drone. Skyway's drone will lift off from the pier with a payload capability of up to 4 kilograms, and navigate autonomously along predetermined aerial corridors to vessels as far as 3 kilometers from the coast. Uber plans to launch drone deliveries of McDonald's meals. It has completed one test flight in conjunction with San Diego State University that involved a beyond line-of-sight delivery. Uber Eats also plans to deliver for other local restaurants so as to provide multiple options to customers. Dominos drone will provide 10-minute deliveries for pizzas in 10 km radius. It will travel at 30 km/h and the goal is to be able to eventually provide 10-minute deliveries. Delivery is quite simple. Pizza box is loaded into a sturdier cardboard box that connects to the bottom of the drone. It hovers above the customer's backyard and lowers the pizza box down by a tow cable, which detaches, making the delivery sweet and simple. DHL Medical Drone will serve the 400,000 residents of the Ukeru Island district of Lake Victoria, Tanzania, and covering 240 kilometers from their main medical center in Mwanza. Drone has been tested over a 6-month period, with at least 180 takeoffs and landings, flying 2,200 kilometers in more than 2,000 recorded flight minutes. Drone transportation allowed for faster diagnosis and treatment. The largest e-commerce company in the world, Amazon, will use drones to deliver customers' orders within 30 minutes through its Prime Air delivery program. It will save significant chunk of their time, giving a blow to 2-hour standard delivery. These drones will be guided by GPS system,